Hi guys, my name is Brittany. Thank you so much for coming back to another stats video, and today we're just going to be talking about random variables. So random variables are a variable that associates a real number with the unique possible outcomes in the sample space of some random experiment. And we can notate this in a number of ways, most commonly as a capitalized letter X. And after a random experiment is conducted, the actual real value of the random variable for a given instance is represented by a lowercase x. So there are two main types of random variables. Firstly, discrete, and secondly, continuous random variables. So let's talk about discrete first. So discrete random variables have a finite or countably infinite range. And keyword here is countable. So they have a countable range. And examples of discrete random variables could be anything from the number of coins in a jar, the number of people in a football stadium, the number of errors that a machine will make while manufacturing a product, or the proportion of baked goods that don't get sold at a cafe. So secondly, let's run through continuous random variables. So continuous random variables are the value of the random variable in which it's contained within an interval. And this interval can be finite or infinite. This interval also comprises real numbers, and some examples of continuous random variables can be temperature, length, pressure exerted onto an object, or height. And so let's run through a quick example of applying random variables. So let's say that in a concert arena, there are 79 stage lights, and if the random variable, a capitalized letter X, is expressed to represent the number of stage lights turned on, then we can say a couple statements that are true. Firstly, the random variable X can be any discrete value 0 to 79. We can also say that the random variable X is a discrete random variable because it has a finite range in which it's countable. And thirdly, let's just say, for example, if 21 lights are turned on, then the value of our random variable, which would be represented by a little letter X, would be equal to 21. Alright, and that was just a quick video on random variables. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!